Today we are going to take a look at the RamSan-20 solid-state disk from Texas Memory Systems, a very fast storage device on a PCIe card that simply slots into a workstation or server. The RamSan-20 is a great SSD for speeding up standalone servers, such as those that host applications based on Oracle, SQL Server, and other databases. The server might also host a high transaction website. By speeding up the server, applications can deliver data to many more simultaneous users. That means you need fewer servers and licenses to support a growing user base. Boosting performance can save you money, lower your IT support costs, and improve user satisfaction. The RamSan-20 is also a great SSD for high-performance workstations used for computer-aided design, data modeling, scientific analysis, video production, and software development. In these environments, you don't need to share your storage, so why pay for network storage? Because the RamSan-20 is a PCI Express card, it doesn't require a host adapter between it and the computer's CPU. With the RamSan-20 in place, CPUs have a very short path to the data, so latency is slashed to 50 microseconds, about 1/100th of the latency of a high-end disk drive. The RamSan-20 can sustain 120,000 random IOs per second. This is the fastest card of its type on the market to date. To put this in perspective, if you tried using hard disk drives to achieve the speed of a RamSan-20, you would need 250 of them. The hard drives could cost in excess of $100,000, and they would consume about 3,750 watts of electricity, not including the additional power you would need for cooling. In contrast, the RamSan-20 sits inside a single server, so it does not require any additional space, and it requires only 15 watts of power. It's so efficient it can pay for itself in power savings alone. Each RamSan-20 card delivers 450 gigabytes of usable storage. This capacity comes from 80 enterprise-grade SLC flash chips. SLC flash is used because it's faster and lasts longer than the consumer-grade MLC flash used by some manufacturers. That means the RamSan-20 can have a productive life of up to 12 years. The RamSan-20 is also distinguished from other PCIe solid-state disks by its onboard processor, ultracapacitors, and RAM. Other manufacturers borrow these resources from the server. Borrowing cycles from the computer may slow the system, and data may be lost or harder to recover if the computer crashes. The self-contained nature of the RamSan-20 protects against data loss, and there is no delay in data access in the event that power is lost to the server. The RamSan-20 is able to resynchronize and resume normal operations in under a second if power is interrupted. It is designed to deal gracefully with any sudden power interrupts. Based in Houston, Texas, Texas Memory Systems is a 30-year veteran of the solid-state disk industry. And over the decades, they've earned their reputation for building the world's fastest storage. Texas Memory Systems supplies the largest and most demanding solid-state storage installations in over 35 countries. They are the vendor trusted by major financial exchanges and over 70% of the largest telecoms. In fact, if you've used an ATM, booked a flight, placed a bet, sent a text message, gamed online, or shopped online, then chances are you were already a RamSan user. Texas Memory Systems also partners with some of the most trusted names in the industry. You can rely on the Texas Memory Systems team of experts and online resources to help you identify your application performance bottlenecks and to recommend a solution that's right for your specific situation. So in summary, the PCIe-based RamSan-20 solid-state disk is the fastest SSD of its type to date. Your power savings alone could pay for the card. Onboard components make it more reliable than competing products. It's made by Texas Memory Systems, the most trusted supplier of solid-state disks. You can learn more about Texas Memory Systems and the world's fastest storage by visiting www.ramsan.com. If you'd like a no-obligation price quote for the RamSan-20 solid-state disk, you can contact the sales team in Texas at 713-266-5300. 3200. Or you can request a self-service quote using the online form at www.ramsan.com/price-rs20.